And actually, I got a pit stop in Sealy, Texas. A buddy of mine owns a large DTF manufacturing facility, direct to film, which is anybody that's in the promo or printing industry knows what DTF is. It's kind of a newer technology. It's a few years old, but been around for a little bit. But it really kicked off a few years ago. It's direct to film where you print these films and you press it onto your shirts. So he's got a large facility. He's not only doing that, but he's doing laser printing, embroidery. So he helps us out with a lot of jobs.
So